Good afternoon, everyone, and this is Surajit Dey, and I welcome you for today's show. Coming directly to the show, to the learning. What do you think about the persuasion skill? So, I have been a mechanical engineer and I have spent my 16 years, and I have seen that most of the mechanical engineers actually do not get into the persuasion skill. They feel that if my product is the best, if I am producing the best product in the market, and if I have the entire knowledge of my product and I know the best of the engineering in the mechanical department, then why do I need to persuade anyone? Why do I need to go and talk to people? Why do I have to worry whether people are going to buy from me or not when I am just good for the company? I am working so hard for the company and I produce so good result. Then why do I worry about the customer? Why do I worry about the people who is in the market or who is our customer or client? And most of the mechanical engineer actually do not pay attention to the soft skills, the vital skills, and they keep themselves limited to the functional skills. And when you keep yourself limited to the functional skills, those skills that you learn from reading the book, that is already scripted before, that is in the design, that is already scripted. Say, to be very functional skill, you refer a code or specification, it's already written by someone and you just follow it. So when you limit yourself to that, this particular category of work can be done by somebody else who may be charging less from you, or somebody who is in a better position than you, or you may be replaced by the artificial intelligence, or you may be replaced by the robotics. So in that case, what is that you have to keep in mind? So now, if I take my example, I had been having these thoughts in me, this limiting belief that why do I need to know about the persuasion skill, and why do I need to worry about what the market is all about when I am very good at my product, I am very good at my subject? Then why do I need to worry about the people around? And that is the biggest mistake that I did, and that is the biggest limiting belief I had 10 years back. And then something happened when I started reading the self-help book, when I started following a mentor, and I learned something. And I learned that however good you are in your subject, however good you are in your product, if there is nobody to buy it, if there is no value in the market of it, there is no demand in the market, then what is the use? What's the use being good in that doesn't solve anyone's problem, that doesn't make or add value to anybody's life? And when whatever you create or whatever you work for is not helpful to people. So it's all the people to people analogy. It's about the connection between two human beings, between the various human beings, and how do you connect with the people. You may be very good in your product, you may be very good in your subject, you may be very good in whatever you are doing, but if you do not give a damn about what my product is going to help the people with, in what way the product is going to help the people with, or in what way my service is going to help the people with, then knowing all these things doesn't make a difference, doesn't add value to the to this world. And let me tell you, with that you will not be able to establish yourself in a successful way. And when I learned from the self-help books, reading the self-help books, and when I learned from a mentor, I have learned that it is very important to learn the vital skills. And what are those vital skills? The vital skills are marketing, sales, public speaking. Now, when I talk about marketing, I always repeat that marketing is not marketing your product or your service only. Marketing is marketing yourself, making your visibility around, making people know about your services, what you are here to offer. It's your duty and obligation to make yourself available and visible in the market and make people aware what you have to offer to them, what problems you are going to solve for them. And that makes the difference. That makes the foundation of your existence. And that is how you build your legacy. That is how you actually make yourself worthy. So if you are not able to solve anybody's problem, no matter what you produce, no matter what you are good at, if that is not able to help anyone out, then there is no point. Now you may be a very good engineer who has designed a machine, and that machine cannot solve anybody's problem. That machine cannot be used in any way in the market by anyone. Then what is the use? And even if you are working for somebody and you don't care about the entire system, the way the world works, the way the law of universe works, you will end up being limited, earning the limited salary, having the limited recognition, having the limited value. That will not give you the, that boost to grow in your career. So it is very, very important to understand the vital skills like the marketing yourself, the sales, like going and connecting with the people, the prospects, the customers, and try to understand what problem you can solve for them and how you can be, how they feel that understood by you. And then your public speaking skill. You should be able to express yourself with your words. You should be able to communicate well with people around. And if you are able to communicate and pass your message clearly, then you are worth it. What is the use? You have all the knowledge of the universe inside you and you are not able to transfer it. You are not able to share it with people. You are not able to help people with the knowledge you have. And knowledge without any implementation has no use. So knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. So unless you apply, you utilize your knowledge, it has no meaning actually. And you cannot just hold it for long. You have to learn, relearn, unlearn, again relearn. Capturing data, using it, and again deleting data and capturing new data. You cannot hold on something. So don't worry, don't think of memorizing things. There is no point in memorizing things. So if you want to know more about the vital skills, if you want to know the process, step-by-step process to master the vital skills in 12 months, that is less than 365 days, then DM me, connect with me, reach out to me. I have a webinar coming this Sunday, 10 a.m. Know more about the vital skills, the high income skills, the skills that help you to increase your income level. So this is Surajit Dey, and I am glad to bring all the learning to you to add value in your life. Stay tuned for more such learning videos. I'll be back with more learning videos and I will see you soon. Take care. God bless you.